Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying what you actually have, a system image or file-level backup, because the steps differ. Once done, make sure the external drive with the backup is connected and you have admin rights and any BitLocker recovery key. Boot into Windows or Windows recovery environment depending on the backup. From there, open Settings Update and Security Recovery or launch Control Panel Backup and Restore. This gets you to the correct restore tool, so you can pick the saved backup image or files. Now you perform the detailed restore actions. If using a system image, boot Win Re and pick System Image Recovery so Windows can restore partitions exactly. This replaces partitions and boot records. For file history or backup and restore, choose the backup date and the folders to recover and select the destination path. Make sure you explicitly verify the target disk and partition layout. Restoring to the wrong drive will overwrite data. Also confirm whether you want Windows to format and repartition automatically before continuing. You complete the process by confirming the restore options and clicking Start. Monitor progress and avoid interrupts. Once the restore finishes, reboot and ensure Windows boots, drivers load, and your files and settings are present. Make sure Windows Update runs and reinstall any missing drivers or apps. If something goes wrong, a common troubleshooting step is to run chkdsk on the target disk, verify the backup image integrity, and ensure your external media or USB boot device is properly connected. That quick check solves most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.